December 4th today. We got a little crew together to do some drives. 3 of us shooting, a couple filmers and a couple drivers. All 3 of us have a doe tag, 2 of us have a buck tag. And TN actually took a little walk last night and found a pretty nice buck back in there. So there's a pretty good chance one of us get a shot at that buck. Regardless, I have a really good feeling we're gonna get some shooting today. They kill some deer on this drive every year. So really excited, and we'll pick back up once we're in the woods.
Scoping them out, I'm gonna shoot the biggest doe. And right underneath one of the does, I see antlers sticking out. Just bat it down there. I tried taking a bunch of pictures, but this is the best one I got. There he is through my scope. It's this one. Shane.
No, just maybe stay out so late.
Oh yeah, hopefully. Maybe today's my day.
It's the first shot.
Go ahead. Hey, should we get radio? No?
Aren't you guys behind us? So you'll know they're coming after we shoot.
Yeah, when you hear us shoot, open, keep your eyes open in case there's any left.
Coyote.
Well, we just had our first shot. I don't know who it was. I'll find out here in a second. Well, who did it?
I shot a coyote coming into the drive.
Well, Shane just shot it. It got me all excited. Turns out it's a stink coyote, which is good too. I like seeing them going, but hopefully it didn't jam up the drives at all.
I don't think.
He ain't getting up and walking away from that one.
Blood everywhere. You want to follow the blood or you want me to keep going?
You go on.
It's a legal spike. It's good. Oh yeah, that made 3 inches. Yeah, you're good to go.
spike in my life.
He went a long way for getting clubbed.
He did.
You could come film me.
Just tell me, look, I don't even know how to turn that thing on. Alrighty then.
Oh.
Alrighty then.
Let's do it.
Let's get some deer moving.
Alright, Alright, first drive of the day. I shot a coyote that was coming into the drive. And Tien's dad, he shot a buck. It was a spike with 2-inch antlers. So we can tag it as a doe. We didn't know it was a spike when it came. We saw one other doe, didn't get a shot. And then Jake and Chris were like a hollow over from us. They saw a pile of deer and a legal buck. And me shooting that coyote might have screwed them up and they went up behind us. So we're gonna put on one more drive before I gotta get out of here. And hopefully get a shot at that buck or a doe. I'm not gonna be picky. First one that comes through, I'm probably gonna shoot. So here we go.
Alright guys, real quick, to save us from the brutal beating of the people that are gonna say something whether I put this disclaimer out there or not. So my dad shot that spike. It was in fact a legal doe, like right around 2 3/4 inch spikes. He didn't see him behind its ears. Shane ended up telling him right after he shot that it was a spike. So heat of the moment, you got a buck, can't tell if it's a legal spike or not because the deer's ears up, and then it is what it is. Now you can say whatever you want. To be honest, we really don't care. It's done legal, it's done right, and it's done. So hope you enjoy the video. We'll see. I'm going to put on one more drive for the day right now. And if it works out, I'll bring you guys in on it. If not, then hope you enjoyed it. Alright, you guys have a wonderful rifle season.